Ural Civil Aviation Plant achieved a major technological milestone in Russia's aviation industry on April 22, 2026. The plant announced the successful completion of its transition to a fully domestic, computer-aided design system for onboard cable network development. At the center of this shift is CAD Max, a specialized Russian platform designed to automate complex engineering processes in aircraft systems. This shift is far more than just replacing one software tool with another. It represents a deeper transformation in engineering methodology, industrial strategy, and digital independence. By moving away from foreign solutions like Mentor Graphics Capital and Zuken E3 Port series, the plant has taken a decisive step toward technological self-reliance without sacrificing performance or efficiency. And this naturally brings us to why cable network design is so critical in aviation. Modern aircraft are incredibly complex electrical ecosystems. Beneath the fuselage lies an intricate web of wires, connectors, and harnesses linking avionics, engines, sensors, and control systems. Designing these systems requires extreme precision, reliability, and strict adherence to safety standards. Going further, cable design is not just about routing wires. Engineers must consider weight optimization, electromagnetic compatibility, durability under extreme conditions, and ease of maintenance. A single aircraft can contain hundreds of kilometers of wiring, making manual design nearly impossible. This is exactly where advanced CAD systems become essential. They allow engineers to model electrical systems digitally, simulate performance, and validate designs before production even begins. For years, global leaders like Mentor Graphics and Zuken dominated this space, providing powerful tools for aerospace and automotive industries. However, reliance on foreign software comes with risks. When vendors exit a market, companies can suddenly lose access to support, updates, and even licenses. That is precisely what happened here, pushing engineers to urgently find a domestic alternative. Which leads directly into understanding what CAD Max actually is. CAD Max is a specialized Russian system developed for automated design of onboard cable networks, along with hydraulic and pneumatic pipeline systems. It was created by the Aerospace Systems Design Bureau under Promtech Corporation. The system represents nearly 5 years of development and was introduced around 2020. It is now officially included in Russia's domestic software registry, confirming its readiness for industrial-scale deployment. At its core, CAD Max is a full engineering platform. It allows designers to build a complete digital model of an aircraft's electrical architecture, covering both logical schematics and physical layouts. This ensures accuracy and consistency across the entire system. The platform also uses a client-server architecture. This means multiple engineers can work simultaneously in a shared digital environment with real-time updates available to everyone involved, from design teams to production engineers. Now, focusing on its capabilities, automation is where CAD Max truly stands out. The system performs complex engineering checks automatically, reducing manual workload and minimizing human error. For example, it verifies wire cross-sections, checks connector compatibility, selects appropriate materials, and even calculates bundle thickness and routing constraints. These processes happen in real time during design. At the same time, the software generates complete engineering documentation automatically. This includes drawings, specifications, wiring tables, and manufacturing instructions, all derived directly from the digital model. Another key advantage is real-time monitoring. Engineers can track system weight, material usage, and other parameters throughout the design process, enabling better optimization from the very beginning. And naturally, such a system must fit into a larger digital ecosystem. The implementation at UZGA involved deep integration with existing IT infrastructure, including synchronization with a master data system based on 1C. Each component receives a unique identifier, and once created, its data becomes instantly accessible across all connected systems. This eliminates inconsistencies and ensures seamless coordination between departments. In effect, this creates a unified digital environment. Design, manufacturing, and logistics systems all operate from the same dataset, improving efficiency and transparency across the enterprise. When compared globally, systems like Mentor Graphics Capital and Zuken E3. Series have long been industry benchmarks. They offer advanced features such as three-dimensional visualization, simulation tools, and lifecycle integration. CAD Max has been developed to match many of these capabilities while focusing on localization. It aligns with national engineering standards and integrates seamlessly with domestic software ecosystems. This is particularly important in aviation, where data security and system reliability are critical. The platform also supports customization through APIs and plugins, allowing companies to adapt it to their specific workflows. Of course, transitioning to a new system is never easy. The process took over a year and required extensive planning, training, and gradual system integration. Engineers had to adapt to new tools and workflows. At the same time, production had to continue without interruption, requiring a careful, phased transition. One major success was preserving the existing component database. Built over years, it was successfully transferred and continues to grow by around 300 new components every month. Despite these challenges, the transition was completed without any loss in productivity or design quality. That alone highlights the robustness of the system. And this is where Altitude ADX takes a closer look at the impact. The shift has significantly accelerated documentation processes and improved coordination between engineering teams. Automation has reduced errors, while real-time collaboration has enhanced efficiency. Development cycles are shorter, and production timelines are more predictable. This is especially important as the plant continues producing aircraft like Baikal, UTS 800, TVRS 44, and the VK 800 engine family. These projects demand advanced tools capable of handling increasing complexity. Beyond aviation, this success signals broader industrial potential. Industries like automotive, rail, and defense could also adopt similar domestic solutions. From a bigger perspective, this transition reflects a growing push toward technological sovereignty. Control over critical software infrastructure is becoming just as important as physical manufacturing capabilities. Countries are now focusing on reducing dependence on external vendors while building strong domestic ecosystems. This approach not only improves resilience, but also drives innovation. As Altitude ADX observes, aviation sits at the center of this transformation. Aircraft design depends heavily on advanced digital tools, making software independence a strategic necessity. Looking ahead, CAD systems are expected to evolve rapidly. Technologies like artificial intelligence, digital twins, and predictive analytics will further enhance automation and efficiency. The future lies in fully integrated digital environments. From design to maintenance, data will flow seamlessly across every stage of the aircraft lifecycle. CAD Max is a strong step in that direction. Its successful deployment proves that domestic solutions can meet the demands of modern aerospace engineering. In conclusion, this is not just a software upgrade. It is a strategic transformation. And as Altitude ADX highlights for the third time, it sets a powerful precedent for industries balancing innovation with independence in an increasingly complex global landscape. If you liked the video, please subscribe, share, and like. Also, please take the membership of the channel to encourage us.